Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. Today I am going to discuss very important thing about the GST reform which happened yesterday only. I will discuss in detail, and along with that I will analyze the bank nifty chart and will find out some important key level for the next week as usual. Every week I do, and to know the GST reform, about the GST reform and important key level for the bank nifty. Stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update and indices weekly level update all in one video. Stock market pulse. So let's start. Important news happening around, then we'll go for the bank nifty chart. So what happened yesterday only on Thursday, the government meeting was already scheduled, which we already discussed in my earlier video, that the third and fourth is the GST council meeting was supposed to happen, and that happened on third and fourth, and the outcome has come. The bill has passed, and important GST rate which were proposed earlier, proposal जो था वो finalize हो गया है. You can see on your screen I have shown important thing. I will discuss in short. You should see, and you can zoom it out and can revise the video and see nicely everything in detail. I'm telling in short, where and all what happened, where the GST reduced, in which item, which sector, all I am uh, showing in the this page. This you can see in your screen. You you can see on your screen. So important sector जो daily essential है, like milk product, you can see shampoo and toothpaste, these consumer thing, FMCG sector के से belong करते हैं all these things. This the 18% इस पे GST था. It was 18%. Now it has reduced to 5%, from 18% to 5%. And the milk product, milk is from 12%, it now GST has come to 5%. And important thing like utensil and bottles, napkin, all things is from 12% to it has come now 5%. So see, it was proposed 5% earlier, it was proposed from 18 to 5%, and this already happened. And now you can see this important sector is health relief and health care sector, जिसमें कि सबसे पहले हेल्थ एंड लाइफ इंश्योरेंस आता है. हेल्थ केयर सेक्टर, तो हेल्थ केयर सेक्टर में लाइक हेल्थ एंड लाइफ इंश्योरेंस लाइक HDFC लाइक SBI लाइफ, all these insurance company, तो they are going to get benefit from this GST कट, रेट कट. तो इसमें जो है 18% से 0% कर दिया गया है GST. 18 to nil, 0% for the life, health and life insurance. And all health related product like thermometer, medical oxygen, and all these things also came down from 12%, earlier it was 12%, to reduce to 5%. So जो एक earlier it was four slab like 12%, 18% and 28%. These were earlier 3 4 slab. Now it has reduced to only 2 slab, 5% and 18%. So this is I'm talking about 5%, जो कि 18 से 5 पे आ गया. Like healthcare I just discussed. And now education related item, you can see all education related stationery, every item is now came to nil, 0% from 12%. So this big thing happened. And now if you see agriculture sector, तो एग्रीकल्चर में भी काफ़ी रिड्यूस किया गया है. इट लाइक ट्रैक्टर एंड ऑल जो ऑटो पार्ट्स हैं ट्रैक्टर के, वो 18% टू 5% हो गया है GST कट, रेट कट. एंड स्पेसिफाइड जैसे जो बायो पेस्टिसाइड हैं एंड ऑल दैट केमिकल थिंग्स, दिस इज ऑल्सो अर्लियर इट वॉज 12%, नाउ इट हैज कम टू 5%. मीन 18% वाले को भी 5% पे लाया गया, कुछ को निल कर दिया गया है, एंड 12% वाले को भी 5% पे लेके आया गया है जीएसटी का रेट कट. Now important sector is auto sector. ऑटोमोबाइल सेक्टर में अर्लियर इट वाज 28% जीएसटी, और अब ये अफोर्डेबल हो जाएगा फॉर यू ऑल कंज्यूमर। टू व्हीलर का भी 28% से 18% आ गया। लाइक बेनिफिटेड सेक्टर विल बी टीवीएस मोटर, हीरो मोटोकॉर्प, वो भी गया। और ये कार कंपनी के लिए आई कैन से दैट टाटा मोटर, मारुति सुजुकी, M&M, and M&M for tractor also. So these all came down. Two wheeler, three wheeler, even four wheeler. Okay, so auto sector is going to get benefit from this GST rate cut definitely. और अभी तक तो नहीं हुआ, but yes, coming Diwali, it is definitely going to the price is going to be reduced for the cars and two wheelers also. Now fourth sector is FMEG, we can see ये भी कंज्यूमर सेक्टर से बिलोंग करता है। लाइक AC, TV, मॉनिटर प्रोजेक्ट, डिश वॉशिंग मशीन। तो ऑल दीज आइटम, electronic appliances are also going to get cheaper for you all, because it is the 28% of GST is going to be now 18%. Now you are going to pay only 18%. Cement and steel also going to get benefit from GST rate cut, and they are इससे जो है indirectly the realty sector will also get benefit, because ये सारी चीजें अब सस्ती हो जाएंगी। So this is smaller view of looking these big thing, but yes, uh, definitely the consumer is going to be gaga, they are going to happy in Diwali. This is a very good Diwali gift from the government. Yes, I will say definitely the government is government के revenue पे, yes, रेवेन्यू पे जरूर इफेक्ट आने वाला है। गवर्नमेंट का जो रेवेन्यू इज गोइंग टू गेट अफेक्टेड विद दिस जीएसटी डिस्काउंट, बट जीएसटी रेट कट। बट यस, लॉन्ग रन में द गवर्नमेंट इज थिंकिंग इन लॉन्ग रन में इट इज definitely going to give प्रॉफिट, गिव गुड रेवेन्यू टू गवर्नमेंट। एंड इससे जो क्या है, डिमांड भी बढ़ेगी, एंड कंजम्पशन बढ़ेगा, एंड द कंज्यूमर विल buy more, spend more. Thing is going to give benefit in long run for the government, and this is going to come in effect from 22nd September, applicable from 22nd of September, a big day. So this is a very good news for the consumer, and for the sector I just mentioned, very good news. And even I will show the market has also reacted on that day, but I will discuss in chart. So this was overall GST reform from the government, और जो छोटी छोटी चीजें कि यार रेवेन्यू में जरूर इफेक्ट आएगा, बट लॉन्ग रन में इसको फायदा ही होने वाला है। सो प्लीज इन डिटेल यू कैन चेक ऑल द थिंग। यस, डेफिनेटली प्राइस इज गोइंग टू बी रिड्यूस्ड फॉर यू ऑल। तो इसका क्या इफेक्ट हुआ, दिस जीएसटी रिफॉर्म जो यस्टरडे इट हैज कम, व्हाट हाउ इट अफेक्टेड बैंक निफ्टी, I will show you on the Nifty Bank chart, and you can see here that how the Nifty Bank chart is showing up. See here, this is the 200 EMA, this red line. This line I kept even I kept drawing this line even last video also. This support, this support is very important, which was 53,600 now. 53,600, even earlier it was my support, and you can see how beautifully whole last week it has taken the support of 200 EMA of Bank Nifty। और जो कल ही आया है, ये तो फ्राइडे का है कैंडल, तो कल भी जो आया था आई विल शो यू कैसे ये रेड हुआ। लेकिन यू कैन सी इट इज लाइक दिस लाइन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट, दैट्स वाई, बिकॉज इट हैज टेकन सपोर्ट हियर एंड went up. I'm not going beyond this level now for the short term, but I can see yes, if it has taken support here, it may go up. But here here you can see this line, यहाँ पे देखो support लिया, यहाँ पे देखो, and here also resistance लिया है. तो this line also giving a good tough resistance to bank nifty, and even above that, above and even above this line, this 20 ma, this blue line जो है, blue line 20 ma is also giving a good resistance to nifty bank. So these three levels is very important. This and this. See how I have drawn this line, which is very important to learn, because कहाँ कहाँ पे resistance लेता है, we have to give the attention on that levels. So this line and this line, very important level. I am not going beyond for the, if I'm talking about short term, I'm not going for the week. I'm not going beyond this level. अब now you can see whole last week what happened. ये तो आज का ही मीन्स फ्राइडे का है. On Thursday, this I will show this line, this candle, how it is reacted. The day Thursday, when the GST reform application done by the government, you can see this day the market rallied till here, which was the resistance of 54,400. 54,400 के आसपास तक निफ्टी बैंक गया भी था, रैली किया, एंड फ्रॉम हियर देखो यहाँ से इसने रेजिस्टेंस लेके फुल डे, ऑल द जो ऑल प्रॉफिट जो दिया था उसने, ऑल प्रॉफिट वेंट अवे एंड इट केम डाउन, क्लोज्ड बिलो दिस लेवल ऑफ दिस रेजिस्टेंस लेवल. तो इस दिन जो भी पॉजिटिव रैली आई थी, ऑल लाइक फैक्टर इन हो गया, और फिर वो नीचे ही क्लोज हुआ. तो हम वी कांट से दिस कैंडल इज वेरी गुड. Yes, market definitely reacted on the GST reform application, but it could not sustain actually. और फ्राइडे को भी इसने कुछ भी पॉजिटिव मूव नहीं दिखाया. नेवर शो ऑन फ्राइडे, नो पॉजिटिव मूव. तो ये दोनों जो मूव्स दिख रहे हैं, ऑल these two candle is showing again a negative sign. And whole week, this day you can see also the GST effect on this day, on Wednesday also. This day you can see all GST effect on Wednesday. So Wednesday also this has shown good rally for the GST application, GST rate cut. And before that, of course, it was taking support here on 200 EMA. The whole week it was support here, and then GST effect, and then again down. Roughly we can say this resistance is working currently of 54,400. अभी नेक्स्ट वीक के लिए व्हाट वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट दैट अगेन इट विल कम हियर एंड टच दिस सपोर्ट of 200 EMA of 53,600, or it will break this and go to the 20 EMA of this level of 54,800. ये दोनों पॉसिबिलिटी इज वेरी इमिनेंट. तो मगर इसमें ज़्यादा क्या होगा, दैट आई कांट प्रेडिक्ट, बिकॉज दैट ऑल डिपेंडेंट ऑन न्यूज़ एंड ऑल. तो देखते हैं कि मार्केट हाउ रियल अभी के लिए. वी यू आस्क मी, तो आई कैन से दिस इज स्टिल लुकिंग नेगेटिव. बैंक इज स्टिल लुकिंग नेगेटिव. आई फील it should again it touch this level and again then go back. I'm not feeling that it will go down to this level, but yes, never know. Be prepared for every situation. If it happens, I will definitely update on next week video. But yes, abhi ke liye I'm not going beyond that, and yahan ke liye I'm not going beyond this resistance. So overall, I analyzed the Nifty Bank, and I find out 2-3 level very important of 53,600, then 54,400, and then 54,800. So be mindful with these three level. After that, if anything broken by the Nifty Bank, I will definitely update. So I have discussed the GST reform in detail. I will repeat the Nifty Bank level again for you all. Important support is 53,600 and important resistance is 54,400 and then 54,800 for the next week. I will post the Nifty 50 level also for next week on Sunday video. So please go through the Sunday video also for the Nifty 50 level. Like and share the video with your friends and others also, and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update and indices weekly level update. Signing off.